air superiority on demand anywhere in the world with 21 assigned F-15 Eagle aircraft. The 104th is trained to provide 24/7 airspace control alerts, providing armed F-15 fighters ready to scramble at a moment's notice to protect the Northeast United States from any airborne threat. Security for 1/4 of the nation's population and over 1/3 of the gross domestic product. Defended by these aircraft and these men and women. Representing the 104th Fighter Wing, ladies and gentlemen, the return of the F-15s. Services next, F-35A Lightning II Squadron. The F-35A, the Air Force's latest and most capable 5th-gen fighter, arrives here soon, and you'll get a full demonstration before the afternoon is finished. Replacing the F-15s that have served this nation so well since the early 1970s, designed in the late 60s, and still so impressive today. The F-15s now of the 104th, as they pull up the gear and give you some burner passes. 104th Fighter Wing prepares and deploys in support of everywhere in the world. Their vision is forging leaders in defense of the nation. Their core values, as a premier total force wing, they believe in the U.S. Air Force core value of integrity first, service before self. All they do. Slept in this morning. I left her this morning back at the hotel, and she said, I'm not going to set the alarm until about 9:30. I'm going to sleep in. And I said, don't bother setting the alarm, honey. Trust me. I just got this great visual of her jumping out of bed right now going, what the? Ladies and gentlemen, setting up for their last few burner passes. Superiority fighter that you see flying now began design in the late 1960s, flying first in 1972. It's going to be hard to say goodbye to this magnificent jet. The XE models, of course, going to some of the other units, with the Air Force selecting Barnes right here in the 104th to fly the 5th gen fighters, the F-35s, coming soon. Series of blow-bys. Up comes the gear. There'll be no excuse not to see a great shot or video of the F-15 on social media. Remember the hashtag? Heck, I'd suggest that by this time now you've got this down, the way they're coming around. to be able to get a selfie of yourself. Just get your phone out there, get you with your big smiling face and these F-15s in the background. Westfield Airshow.
Another low road.
After 30 years of doing air shows, I'm quite used to the ringing in my ears now. And I never tire of it. It never gets old. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge wave as they go by. These men and women from your 104th, as we recover now the F-15s, and we'll add 2 more to the sky. And you know they burned a lot of gas here right now. And not to worry, we're going to show you how they get lots more of it, even when they're in the air later this afternoon. You see the air brake coming up and all the aerodynamic braking going on to save the brakes on the jet. As the aircraft come down, they look like they're pulling wheelies way off to the right. Get as much of the airplane into the air as possible to slow it down. And then as they get it settled and taxi in, they'll be looking. And as they taxi right in towards you, I'm going to ask right now, did you get your hands in the air? Give them a huge wave, and that's a thank you for their service. They stand on guard for you and me day and night. They are ready.